Welcome class 9. This is your computer class. Today our chapter is office automation. The chapter 3 is office automation. Collect, manipulate and relay office information needed for accomplish basic tasks, raw data storage, electronic transfer and the management of electronic business information. MS Word. Microsoft Word or MS Word is one of the most famous word processing software. MS Office or MS Word first introduced the concept of what you see is what you get by introducing text information and document preview exactly as we would get in it on a paper. What is page layout? The page layout tab allow user to control the look and feel of his or her document. User can set margining, apply them, control page orientation and size, add section and line breaks. The page layout have five objects: themes, page setup, page background, paragraph and arrange. This is the picture of page layout. You can see the all options of page layout in this picture. Themes. A theme is a predefined set of information, color and setting that change the overall design and look of the entire document. Page setup setting help us the page layout properties such as margin, orientation and size. Margin. The margin is the area or space between the main content of a page and the page edges. Orientation or print orientation is the placement of content on a page. The size button is used to choose the size of the paper for current section of entire document. Column. This button is used to split the text into two or more vertical column. Break. Break button used to insert page, section or column break in the document. Line number. Line number. This button is used to add line number on the left side of each line of the document. Hyphen. Hyphenation. The button is used to specify how hyphenation in a document should be applied. Watermark. A watermark is a feeded background image that displays behind the text in a document. Page color. This button is used when user want to apply a color for the background of the page. Page border. Page border button is used to put a border around the paper or around the page. Paragraph group. The paragraph group is where we can modify all the setting of the paragraph that apply in our document. Arrange group. This button in arrange group help the user to quickly arrange graphical and other element of the document in relation to the main textual content. Thank you.